guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets. It's Kay. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, what I'm going to do is cash stopping my long-term saving challenges, which is I don't have time to cash stuff before. And the money that I will allocate on these saving challenges, or I will cash up on the saving challenges, is our leftover budget from last month, November. Yes, it's last month, November, because I just keep it and I haven't do this. All right, so without further ado, let's start. So what I have here is 500 plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 260. So it's 770. So before that, so where we start first? So I start with this one first. So this one is each icon is $10, and I already completed until October and November not yet, and December. So let's complete November and put here $30. 3 and color this. This saving challenge is I purchased it through Leia of Fly Budgets, by the way. And she's not active now in YouTube, but I think she's still active in TikTok. She's a Filipino cash stuffer also. So let's complete this, and you know what to do if I finish the challenge. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. Ooh, we can ring my bell, ring my bell, my bell. Okay, for December, I'll stop for now, and then I will go back if I have money left, and let's put it aside. So emergent B, actually the money that I allocate in emergent B is what left up on our miscellaneous, and our miscellaneous there's a leftover of 50. So let's color 5 icons then. Let's put it aside. Hold on, I need to move 5 icons. 1, 2. If you haven't watched my videos or my emergency, if you don't know my emergency fund, it's not fully funded anymore because I use it for something that I need to spend on. It's an important one. That's why it's not 5,000 anymore. That's why I still have this saving challenge here. All right, so let's keep it. Emergent B, this saving challenge is from Two Sister Bees, and I save here 220 now. It is a freebie from their channel, April and Jen. So this one is from Rox Budgets. It's already been a year, I think, since I start saving this one. The money that I save here already been used for my first daughter's graduation, and we spend a lot, really. So for the rest of this, it's for my next daughter's graduation. My second daughter is gonna be next month or in February, I think next month. So I will complete this challenge now. So let's see how much left then. plus 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 50 plus 15. So it's 230, and let's grab. Oh, it's broken. This is broken. Where is it? Where's that? I think already, because I already used it. See, no more. It's 943 before plus 230 now. 230, and I don't have change. So I'll change the money, the 500, but the coloring, I haven't done it yet. But I will color it up cam so that it will not take time. So 230 then. 240. So let's change here. Okay. 230. 230. So this chip saving challenge is done. And I will take it out. Take out, take out. And leave it on the side. It's not gonna be enough, but what I'm going to do is I'm thinking about what challenges do I need to do so that I can have enough fun for my second daughter's graduation. So for this one, I just put it aside first. So for this triple play by Two Sister Bees, so I already put some, you see, I put 32 degrees here, and then on September 30, but I didn't roll the dice. And let's see, let's roll the dice. I will add this number so that I can save a little. I can save in a low amount. So 1. So a total of 5, 3, and 1. So total of $9 here. So let's save 9. So 1 in here as well. So total of 10, 9, and 1. So let's save 20. So 3 in here. A total of 9, 10, and 3. It's 22. For December, let's roll 1 first, but I haven't, if I do it now, today is December, I film it in advance because I'm going to be busy this coming holiday. So today is December 18. Oh, sorry, 18. And the weather is 17 degrees. So total now is 8 plus 9. Oh, sorry. 8, 9. So 17 plus 1. So total of $18. So if I total this 4, it's 9 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18. So I save here $69. 60. So make it 70 then. $70 and one whole this challenge is done. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. So how much I save in this challenge? 100, 20, 40, 60, 180. Yay! Let's change this. So triple play, 180. I save. And let's put it together. And next one, so this one is not going to be on this file anymore because I finished it. Maybe I will think about if I use it again next year, but for now it's finished. So let's set aside. Okay, for Miss Judy of Save with Judy. Hold on, yeah. Ah, it's totally broken now. It's totally broken. You see that? It's totally broken. So let's complete this as well. So this one, I stopped in November. So let's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So let's complete this. So $50. Just ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell, my bell. So this one. So the total amount is 300. One. Why I have so much here? Huh? I think I have so much. Maybe I didn't mark it last time. So let's take out. Why I put one? Should be 300 only, right? So wait, I have extra. Should be 300. Maybe I put it wrong one. Okay, let's put 300. I haven't touched it for a month. I think this binder because I don't have time to do it. So this is done. So this is the third challenge that I've done today. I just color it behind upcome. So next one is from Deep Plans and Budget. This one is also behind. So let's do this until let's finish this one also. So this one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hold on. So this is 25. And this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 plus 10 plus 3. Oops. Is correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's calculate. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5. So 25. So 50. Let's put 50 here. So this 2 saving challenge is done. And take it out. I think one more. $25 each. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then this icon is also, I think, 25. Let's see. So this is 25. This is 25. So, 25. So, this is 25. So, this one is, 25. So this one is 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 25 ornament is $2. So 2, 4, 6. Snowflakes is 3. 6 plus 6 on plus 9. 15 plus coffee cup is 10. So 25. So another 50. So I finished this. Now I finished this challenge, but I cannot sing. Why? Because my husband is listening. Can I sing? Okay, I will sing. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. Okay, I finished this challenge. And the total amount I save here is 400 plus coins. 405. Okay, let's take this one out. Let's take this one out. Another challenge done. And next one is the also far behind this one. Let's see if I have more at the back. Oh yeah, that's Christie's. And so let's put around 200 here first. Oh, let's see. No. Let's calculate how much this box here. 22 plus 24 plus 29 plus 26. Hold on. Oops. Oh, plus 13 plus 21 plus 16 plus 25 plus 2 plus 10 plus 12 plus 35 plus 22 plus 6 plus 17 plus 23 plus 30 plus 24 plus 18 plus 4. So 278 plus additional of 12 here. So 290. I say here 290. Okay. So I will color it later on, but let me mark until when. Hold on. Sorry. So this all done. It's all done in this. Okay. Sorry. And put it on my binder. Save 2024 and 2024. No. Upside down. Upside down. Here. And just combine it together. And then I forgot something here for my son's graduation. Yeah, here. So this icon is $20 per icon. So how much here? 40. So let's color 2. 1, 2. So now it's 260, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 28. Yeah, 280. 280. So all the money has been allocated, and I hope you enjoy and inspired from what I'm doing. So you can see the rest of this monthly saving challenges. I try to finish it this year, and hopefully I can do the next one. I have the next save Save 2025 and 2025 by Nita of the Almost Organized Owl, but I have to finish this first. So thank you for being here and thank you for dropping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. God bless. Love ya. Bye.